So let me show you how I did this. So let me rewrite the answer again and then show you how I did that. So from here I have what? 1 over 8, okay, and then we have what? 2x plus 1 exponent what? 4 plus what? C, okay. Let me correct that, okay. That's what? Exponent 4 plus C. So actually you could do this in less than 60 seconds, okay. You could actually solve this question in less than 60 seconds. So let me show you the secret trick I used. Now, whenever you come across any form of integral, okay, in this format, and then you want to use the substitution approach, so you could notice that you could just see that we have what? This is the same as what? U, okay, exponent 3, okay. This is U, so replacing 2x plus 1 with U, we have what? U exponent 3. So in order to bypass the substitution approach, differentiating, integrating, and all that, this is what you need to do. So let me show you what the simple approach. So this is a simple approach. So you have what? This integral, okay, is in this format, okay. Ax plus b exponent n dx, okay. You can notice that you have 2x plus 1 exponent 3 dx. That's the same format over here, ax plus b. So a is what? 2 and 1 is what? B. Now, whenever you come across any integral having this format, all you need to do is just use this simple trick, okay. So it's what? 1 over what? A multiplying what? N plus 1, okay, and then you multiply that by what? Ax plus what? B, okay, exponent n plus 1, okay, and then you add what? Your c, okay. You could add your c, that's the constant. So from here you can notice that this was what? 2x plus 1 exponent 3 dx equals what? 1 over 8. That's the answer. That's 2x plus 1 exponent 4 plus c. So now you can notice how I came up about with the final answer. This is the main question, okay. So all you have to do is just use this simple formula. So you have 1 over what? A times n plus 1. From here you know that a is what? A was 2 over here, so 2, and then n plus 1. N was what? 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So multiply that by 2, you end up with what? 8, okay. And then you maintain the same expression over here, but you just introduce n plus 1. You know that n is what? 3 plus 1 is 4. So that's how we ended up with what? This what? Expression. So let's take another example so that you get to appreciate this approach, okay. So let's take another example. So let's say we have the integral of what? This integral is so huge. So let's find what the integral, okay, of what? Maybe 2x minus 5, okay, and let's say exponent 7 x, okay. So let's use the same approach. So from here you can notice that we have what? 1 over what? A. So a is what? 2, okay, and then n plus 1 is what? 7 plus 1, that's what? 8, okay. So we have 2 multiplying what? 8, that's what? 16, okay, and then we have what? The main expression, that's 2x minus 5, and then we have what? The exponent is what? N plus 1. So n plus 1, that's 7 plus 1 is what? 8, and then you can introduce your constant c, okay. Notice that this is very, very simple. You could choose to maintain the plus c or just ignore it, okay, because we've already found the answer. So in case this video was helpful to you, I would urge you to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos. Like the video so that it gets pushed to other students like you, just like somebody liked this video and then you are watching it right now, okay. And then in case you have any further questions, just let me know in the comment section and then I'll reply to them as soon as possible. Kindly share, okay, share the video so that it gets pushed to other students who might need this video to help them augment their studies. I will see you in the next video. Have a lovely day.